You can view the North Star online learning progress of all the learners registered through your testing location. In the View Learners page, you can preview learner progress. First, find a learner. Then, hover over an icon to preview their progress in that topic, or click on that icon to view more detailed information. Click anywhere else in a user row to view that user's assessment history and their progress in North Star online learning topics. Click anywhere in a module row to view the learner's assessment results, including standards mastered and standards needing improvement. Practice status, the column on the right, displays the learner's progress in the North Star online learning lesson that corresponds to each standard. You can use this information to guide the learner to appropriate learning activities within North Star online learning, or supplement with additional instruction. In the View Learners page, you can download a spreadsheet summarizing learner progress for all active learners by clicking Download Activity. You can limit the learners included in the spreadsheet by clicking Filter Results. For more information on searching for learners, watch the video Organizing Learners Using Tags. For more information on viewing learner usage amounts by time, watch the video Viewing NSOL Usage Reports.